Hey guys, welcome to the final session in module number 4. So in this session, I'm going to show you how to create a new menu and also how we can customize it widgets. So we'll see one by one. Currently, I'm on my dashboard. So before customizing a widget, we are going to create a new pages. Just go to pages, all pages, and then go to add new. Now it will be asking to add a pages. So I'm going to give home page 3, publish. And then go back. I'm going to add another page. Go to add new. Home page 4. So just create a 2 more pages. And the final one is contact us. So we are going to setting up a new menu. Okay, yes, go back, hit on visit site, customize. So what we have to do to set up a new menu, just go to menus and then create new menu, give the menu name as primary new, anything else. You can give your own name also. Hit on primary, next, and then add items. So home page 3, home page 4, home page 5 and contact us. Hit on publish. Just go to new tab. To preview that, I'm going to open the website. It is under publishing. Yes, it is published. Here you can see the changes. Home page 3, home page 4, 5 and contact us. Just go back and go to header, go to primary menu, and then the last item will be search, so that it will be some better. Okay, yes, now it is quite good. Just hit on publish, then go back again. Now I'm going to set up a sidebar with widgets and also bottom footer bar with widgets. To do that, just hit on this pencil icon, then it will be redirected to the basic footer bar. You can even change your own copyright here. Okay, then you can even select a layout. Just go back. Here you can find an option called footer widgets. Just hit on that, and then currently it is selected under no widgets. Just select the beside one, and then here you can find some border size. It is up to you. And here you can see the background color will be anything, like I'm going to set up with a green or a blue. Just wait. Yes, here you can find, see, this is the top border size. Just reduce this. Okay, yeah, here you can find a footer widget area 1, widget area 2, widget area 3, widget area 4. So how we can edit this? So just go to do that, just go back to widgets. So here you can find the widgets below the menu. So here you can find the 4 widgets. Just select each and every widget. Here you can find an option called add a widget. So these are all the widgets available. You can add anything. So I'm going to add text here. So first text will be address. Here give some blah blah blah, anything. Okay, so this will be printed under first footer widget area. Sorry, yes. Okay, just go back to second one. So In the second one, I'm going to add a recent posts. I'm going to add a recent posts. You can find a number of posts to show is 5. Then 5 posts will be shown here. You can even change it to 3. Here currently the only one post is hello world. Here currently only one post is hello world, so it is displayed under here. So go back to footer widget area 3, hit on add widget, and we can even display a form here. Just hit on WP form. Already one form is created, so we can see how to create a new form at plugins session. Click on this and title will be blah 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 anything. Just go back, footer widget area 4, hit on add widget, and then you can even select as recent comments or pages or navigation menu. Okay guys, you can even select a new menu. I'll show you. Just go to customize again. Okay, then go to menus. After that, create a new menu. Select footer menu below. Give name as footer or anything else. It will be up to you. Then add items. So items will be services, projects, contact, anything else. Just hit on publish. After that, come back to here. Just wait. So after publishing this, publish here also. Now entire changes are published. I'm going to visit site again. Localhost /test/WordPress. So here you can see we had changed the menu, and also we had changed the button to search, and then we had changed 3 footer widgets. The final one is didn't change it, so I'm going to place a new menu here, so that we already created a new footer menu. So how we can place? Just go to footer widget area 4, add, and you add a widget, and then here you can see navigation menu. It will ask you to select a menu. Okay, just reload, because after creating a new menu here we didn't reloaded this page yet. Okay, then go to widgets, footer widget area 4, add new widget, navigation menu. So the menu name will be footer. Okay, and you can even select a text here, and even you can add a text here. Just hit publish. Okay, after publishing, just reload the page. Here you can see the changes are done. If user hits services, it will be redirected to services page. Okay, so that's all about setting up widgets. So guys, you can even add another widget here, like categories. Can even select any category by here itself. See, currently there is no categories here. That's why the basic uncategorized category is printed here. Okay, you can even add another category to show some pages. Where is this? To show some pages. It is up to you guys. Just explore all the widgets available in Astra template. So each and every template there will be a separate widgets. You can even add some custom HTML code also. So just go to footer widget 1, custom HTML. You can add some custom HTML code also. You can even give some separate title. Okay, after that just hit on publish. To see changes, just reload the page. It is published. Okay, here you can see the pages and it all. So this is completely related to widgets. Guys, just explore and learn. If you are having any doubts, feel free to ask me. I'll be answering to you. So that's all about creating a new menus or creating a widgets. Okay, changing the header. I'll meet you with the installation of plugins and customization of plugins at new module. Thank you.